I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use jumper cables. Before you begin, gather your essential safety gear, including gloves and safety glasses, and ensure you have a reliable set of jumper cables. Always confirm both vehicles are turned off and in park or neutral. It's crucial that both car batteries have the same voltage, which is typically 12 volts for most passenger vehicles. This preparation step is vital for a safe and successful jump start. Now let's connect the positive cables. Take one red, positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of the dead battery. This terminal is usually marked with a plus sign. Next, take the other red, positive clamp and connect it firmly to the positive terminal of the good battery. Double-check that both connections are tight and secure. A good connection minimizes resistance and helps prevent any unwanted sparks during the process, ensuring a smooth power transfer. Moving on to the negative connections, take one black negative clamp and attach it to the negative terminal of the good battery. This terminal is typically marked with a minus sign. For the dead vehicle, connect the other black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the engine block or a dedicated grounding point, well away from the battery itself. This step is critical to avoid igniting any hydrogen gas that might have accumulated around the dead battery, ensuring your safety. With all cables connected, start the engine of the good vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer a sufficient charge. After this period, try starting the dead vehicle. Once it starts, disconnect the cables in the exact reverse order. First, remove the negative clamp from the now running vehicle, then the negative from the good vehicle. Next, disconnect the positive from the good vehicle, and finally, the positive from the previously dead battery. Drive the car for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.